The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, until 5:45 a.m. At 2:50 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Morristown,